They talking about I need an iMac and it need to have 32 gigs of RAM and a newer processor and all that, and they need to be 6 core. And I know I got some gamers on here that know about all that type of stuff, but hell, I thought I was doing good already with a MacBook Pro. So let me see. Yeah. So now they talking about I need a iMac. Stay away from the Apple shit products. That's what I've been using this whole time when I be editing. We got El Kagui 20. Appreciate the follow. Melvin Heat, appreciate the follow, man. And that damn line ain't getting no shorter. It kinda is. But yeah, man, I've been thinking about getting another Apple, man. Apple is ass. Get a PC. Man, for real, I can't believe how y'all feel that way about Apple. I thought Apple was the shit. I like Apple, man, a little bit. I kinda really do. Damn, all y'all saying don't get Apple, man. What I'ma edit with? Y'all gonna make me have to learn to edit with a whole new software. I use iMovie. Apple is a tracking device so the government can keep tabs on you. Man, everything is a tracking device. Google is a tracking device. I haven't even subscribed yet to Call Metro. I got a Prime, but it says I don't. My bad. We got Gamer Lab 1. Appreciate the follow, man. 8700K with the H100i with 128 gig DDR4 with 3 Titans. How much is that? iMovie is the dookie of video editors. Tesla run yet? Nah, we still waiting on them to pull up, but they pulling up. Get an i9 with 3060. Get an i9 with 3060, you'll be set. I got a damn 10850. He got 5 numbers. What the hell? With the 3090 Kingpin. Man, y'all got too much. I ain't never heard of none of this shit y'all talking about, man. How much do them cost? Is any one of them cheap under 1,000? I'm trying to learn something. Ooh, that line look like it done got a little shorter, y'all. What time I got? 10:35. I'm still waiting on the race. Somebody said, hell no, a couple thousand. Ooh wee. You can find one under 1,000 at Harry Hines. Damn, y'all kind of the computers y'all talking about, boy, them things, that's a car. The 3090 Kingpin was 2K. Ooh. See, y'all know about them computers, man. I'm looking at my partner sent me a 2019 MacBook. Let me see what my used and abandoned. Let me see something. Let me see. Let me find out what's the name. Let me see what he had, man. It was a 2019. He was trying to sell me. It was a 3.7 gigahertz 6-core Intel i5 with 8 gigs of RAM. A 27-inch with the 5K stream. Side acting up. I kind of want to. Let me see, man. I'm thinking, man. I think it's taco time too, man. Hold on. Let me see if they got any mango anyway. Oh yeah, they got some mango in here. Oh, it look like they got all three of my flavors here. Oh yeah, they got the pineapple, mango, and the lemonade. What's going on? I'm getting all three of them. You had that before?
Yeah, that's good.
Pineapple, you gotta mix all three together though. You ain't never did that? You willing to try it? Oh, that's too much for y'all. That's too much. Hey, I'm on YouTube and Twitch on the Lookout Racing, so make sure you tell your friend or somebody they want to catch all the racing for the night. They can catch it on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, or Twitch if they know anything about that. She got me, y'all. She got me. Let me see. I'm finna get in line for these socks. Home Depot, he ready to run, yeah. 8700 at 5 gigahertz with water cooling. Damn. He got water cooling his computer. And the girl you talking about, Pumbaa, I think it's called Simba, man. Nah, I ain't even got her IG, man. I ain't on Simba IG. Oh, they paying over here? I done got skipped. Nah, man. Golly. Okay, he letting me skip, y'all, since I got the camera. He letting me go. Okay. Yeah. I sure appreciate it. I sure appreciate it, man. Dead Shot Mustang with the sub, appreciate it. What's that? Grass Assassin. Grass Assassin. Oh, he be smoking, y'all. He be smoking that grass. I mean, it don't be that just fire, but he be smoking. Rapid. Okay, Rapid Transit, thanks for the sub, man. Smoking that Newport shit. I wish I could see him something. Slap it out of his hand. Yeah, I remember. Hey, I'm Tyrone. You remember him? Have you ever heard that dude say he'll knock that cigarette out your hand and be like, hey, I'm Tyrone. Hey, yeah. Hey, look out, I'm gonna get let me get 6 tacos, man. Let me get 6 tacos. I'm gonna do beef. Yeah, and a drink. I need, you know how I like my drink, man. I need a special drink. Rabbit Racing, follow from YouTube, yeah. Sorry. That's you, man.